Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to hide on lock screen on your Telegram X account hidden quickly. So first enter Telegram X, click on these three lines, then go to the settings, then go to the privacy and security and scroll down, and as you see here we have this hide on lock screen, so you can turn it on if you want to. So also you can turn it off. So that's how to turn on hide on lock screen on your account on Telegram X, easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.